Eve. I don't know. I don't know that. The only I know is you got a partner Filipina, but I don't know that you have a kid to your Filipina partner. The only know is you just what do you call them? You just admit them that they are immediate them as your own. If if is you all I know is you just treat them as your own. But I don't know that you have a Filipina daughter. If ah yes.